Wow, what a wonderful time it is to be alive. There just seems to be one problem. The sun. It's just kind of there, burning you. Go outside to enjoy it for a little too long? Oops, cancer. It's even heating up the earth, It's totally not the fault of humans. The sun's the issue. So let's get rid of it. What did it ever do for us anyway? In fact, let's just eat it. It's chock full of vitamin D, right? And it has a decent energy boost to rival your crippling caffeine addiction. I can already hear the whining from some people though. Oh, you can't eat the sun, it's too big, but coffee's still better, it's not physically possible. All I'm hearing is people who don't dream big, who don't stay on that grind to improve themselves past their limits. For our purpose, 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. Now with doing a bit of math, we get 42,754,612,132,999 calories. So if you're looking for a good workout bulk up formula, I'm going to recommend you the sun. That is enough to sustain 187,160,675,443 rats. You're probably asking, how do we get the sun in the first place? Now that we have removed the sun, we have removed its pesky gravity as well. Our Earth is free to travel around on its own. Good news though, global warming is not an issue anymore. Also, a totally unrelated issue, we're going to need a few heaters and puffy coats. It's getting a little cold. It's time to see how the trout population will be affected. All water freezes over, and so do the trout. They're all gone. My trout graph says so. I even emailed a marine biologist to confirm this. They didn't respond.